8360. A close inspection of a fusible plug reveals the core has experienced some deformation. What is the appropriate maintenance procedure? A. Replace all the fusible plugs. B. Replace the affected fusible plugs. C. Replace with new wheel assembly. The correct answer is A. Visual inspection of fusible plugs or thermal plugs is necessary to ensure their integrity and functionality. These plugs are designed with a core that melts at a lower temperature compared to the outer part of the plug. This design allows for the release of air from the tire in case of a dangerous temperature rise. During the inspection, close attention should be given to detect any deformation in the core, which could indicate exposure to high temperatures. If any deformation is observed, it is essential to replace all thermal plugs in the wheel with new ones to maintain the safety and proper functioning of the tire. Regular inspection of fusible plugs is important to identify any potential issues and address them promptly. 8361. Chins are used on some aircraft nose wheel tires to help. A. Nose gear extension at higher air speeds. B. Reduce the possibility of hydroplaning. C. Deflect water away from the fuselage. The correct answer is C. Chins are small ridges or channels that are often molded into the tread pattern of an aircraft tire. These chins help to channel water away from the center of the tire, improving traction and reducing the risk of hydroplaning. Additionally, chins on nose wheel tires can help to deflect water away from the fuselage, reducing the risk of water ingestion into the engines or avionics. 8362. The best safeguards against heat buildup in aircraft tires are A. Proper tire inflation, minimum braking, and ground rolls into the wind. B. Short ground rolls, slow taxi speeds, minimum braking, and proper tire inflation. C. Minimum braking, proper tire inflation, and long ground rolls. The correct answer is B. Heat buildup in aircraft tires is a major concern and can lead to tire failure. The best safeguards against heat buildup are short ground rolls, slow taxi speeds, minimum braking, and proper tire inflation. This allows for less friction between the tire and the runway, reducing heat buildup. Ground rolls into the wind can also help to reduce heat buildup by providing additional cooling to the tire. 8363. The fusible plugs installed in some aircraft wheels will A. Indicate tire tread separation. B. Prevent overinflation. C. Melt at a specified elevated temperature. The correct answer is C. Fusible plugs are designed to melt at a specified elevated temperature and release the pressure within the tire in order to prevent an explosion in case of a fire. This is a safety feature intended to protect the aircraft and its occupants. 8364. What action, if any, should be taken when there is a difference of more than 5 pounds of air pressure in tires mounted as duals? A. Replace both tires. B. Correct the discrepancy and enter it in the aircraft records. C. Replace the tire with the lowest pressure. The correct answer is B. It is important to correct the discrepancy in air pressure between dual tires and make sure they have equal pressure to ensure proper handling and tire wear. The difference should be corrected and noted in the aircraft records for future reference. However, it is not necessary to replace both tires or the tire with the lowest pressure in this situation.